Hello everyone, Mr. Fraser-deHaan here. I put together this video to hopefully help everyone get guided through the new homework system in Foundations of Career and Technical Math. So just go ahead, step through this video, press pause if you need to, and hopefully it'll allow you to know what to do each week on your new homework. So we're going to start here at the X2 page for the class. It's the one right here that says CT Math. Over here in Group Resources, you'll see a link that says Khan Academy Homework. You should see it there. That's where you're going to be going every day, every week for your homework. So go ahead, click on that now. That should take you over to this window right here, which gives directions and links to your homework. Now, a while back, you should have already been assigned a level based off of STAR Math testing. If you've forgotten it, you can look in the STAR Math portion of your binder. And at the very bottom, there's a math recommendation. It says Accelerated Math Library, and then grade level. Again, that was just the grade level that was assigned to you by this testing software. So if yours says grade 4, for this homework you want to start on level 3. If it says grade 5, you're starting level 4, grade 6, level 5, etc. Okay. So say you're assigned to level 3. Well, the homework, like it says up here in the directions, is to complete 90 minutes of math practice per academic week. Now that's not checked until after the following shop week, so you actually have up to that full shop week to complete it. I'd recommend trying to do some of this homework every night to spread it out. 10 minutes a night. 20 minutes if you do it every other night. Shouldn't take all that long. Just some amount of time, as often as you can, to get this done. It's important that as soon as you start, as soon as you're doing any math, that you make sure you're logged in. I'm going to tell you what that means. I'm going to show you what that means in a minute. But you have to be logged in to Khan Academy, not just X2, not your Google account, into Khan Academy, to make sure you're receiving credit for any of this. So say you've been assigned to level 3, and you're just starting off. What you'll do is you'll find level 3 on this list, and you can see it starts at level 1, which is the earliest math, including counting, all the way up through level 7, which is the beginning of Algebra 1 and geometry and 8th grade math, really. Alright, so say you're starting from level 3. That's the level you've been assigned to. You'll start with this first link, which is addition and subtraction. Go ahead and click on it, and it will take you over to the Khan Academy page. The first thing you want to check is that you're logged in. Right here in this top right-hand corner, it should say your name. You've all been given an account. For the most part, your screen names are first name, last name, right in a row, and the password is the same you use for Accelerated Math. But make sure you are logged in. First thing, every time. Again, can't emphasize that enough. It's just like not turning in a worksheet. I can't see your work if you're not logged in. So you've logged yourself in. You're good. You're good to go. You end up back at this page. It's broken into subjects. You want to start at the top. You don't need to do this warm-up activity. I've already tried it in class. There's both videos and exercises on this page. The videos are marked with a triangle, like these, and exercises are marked with a star. If it's filled in blue, like this is right here, that means you've already done it. You're finished. You can move on. You're practiced. You only need to do these exercises, the ones that are marked with stars. Those are the only ones that I'm going to be checking for. However, the videos will count towards your time, and they might be valuable to you. if you've reached the subject and you really don't know what you're doing with it, or you need some sort of review, you can watch the videos. But what I'd recommend doing is starting with that first practice that isn't highlighted. So let's say this one isn't highlighted. It's not blue right there. You haven't tried it yet. You click through. Again, you should still be logged in up here. And without a calculator, if you need a calculator, there'll be one right here in this bottom right-hand corner. But without a calculator, do the work. I'd recommend doing scrap work on paper, or a whiteboard if you have it, or whatever you would normally do scrap work on. And then just typing in your answer. So you'll do your workout, again, on paper. You can, especially if you have a tablet, you could do the scrap work right here, with a mouse. But it's not the easiest way of doing it, certainly. But you could write it there, and then type in your answer. You'll click check answer. If you're wrong, you made some sort of mistake, like this one, then what you can do is say show hints. So showing hints will step you through the problem. In this case, one by one addition. So 8 plus 4, you're adding these numbers together, gets you 12. You write down the 2 there and carry up the 1. It even shows it in a color-coordinated way. If you still don't understand how to do the problem, reminder, you can continue to click through the hints. It'll walk you all the way up to the answer. In this case, 942. If you've tried that a few times and you're still struggling to get through a topic, what you can do is you can use the videos that are linked right here, and hopefully use that to remind you to review how to do these various skills. Once you've successfully completed it, though, once you've gotten 3 in a row or 5 in a row, whatever it asks you to do, what you'll do is you'll come up with a screen that'll say you're practiced, and you can go back either all the way back to here, click back through addition or subtraction, or on this right-hand side, just find the next starred activity on this list, and if there's none, click next section and find the first starred activity there, and start in on that. If you're ever unsure how much you've done, say it's the end of the week and you want to know that you've actually gotten 90 minutes done, again, hopefully if you've done 20 minutes a night, 15 minutes a night, you'll be there. You can click the home screen up there, click this button here that says progress, and you can sort through sort of how much time you've spent. Probably the easiest way in total is to click this button here that says activity. Sort by the last, say, 7 days, the last week. You can also click a custom range if you wanted to adjust exactly how much time. And it'll tell you how much time you spent in minutes. So in this case, in the last week, the only time I've been on Khan Academy was today. Done 1 minute just with this, but it'll add it all together for you right there. So again, if you manage to get all of the skills done, all the exercises practiced on one topic, like addition, subtraction, level 3, you'll just move down to the next one on the list, multiplication, division, go through there, go through each exercise, and continue to move on and progress throughout the year. There's no specific requirement. I'm not asking you to, move up 3 levels during the year, though you might. I'm only asking you to get that 90 minutes per week done, an hour and a half, and that's what you'll be graded on. That's what I'll be able to see. Just like you can see how much time you spent, I can see how much time you spent, and that's what I'll be checking for. All right, so good luck. Get started, and hopefully you'll make some progress, and it'll help you out in class as well.